Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that overnight your entire reality has shifted. The health struggles you've battled for years suddenly feel lighter, your financial worries seem to dissolve, relationships that once brought you pain now bring you joy, and opportunities you never thought possible are now effortlessly flowing into your life. What if I told you that this isn't just a dream, but a reality that many people have tapped into through the power of sleep programming with Ho'oponopono? Every single night, your subconscious mind becomes a sponge, absorbing the vibrations you emit before you drift into sleep. The thoughts, emotions, and energy you carry into your slumber determine the reality you wake up to. Science has proven that the subconscious mind is most impressionable in the moments before and during sleep. This is where Ho'oponopono, the ancient Hawaiian practice of forgiveness and reconciliation, becomes a game changer in transforming your life while you rest. But why does this matter? Because your inner child, the part of you that holds on to past wounds, fears, and limiting beliefs, operates from the subconscious mind. If your inner child is trapped in a cycle of pain, your waking life will continue to reflect that pain through health issues, financial struggles, troubled relationships, and career roadblocks. The good news? You have the power to reprogram your subconscious, heal your inner child, and create the life you desire using Ho'oponopono while you sleep. Stay with me until the end, because what you're about to discover is not just another manifestation technique. This is a deeply transformative process that has helped countless people achieve miraculous changes in their lives. By understanding the vibrations we carry before, during, and after sleep, and by applying Ho'oponopono correctly, you will learn how to dissolve the very blocks that have been holding you back for years. Think about this. Have you ever gone to bed feeling anxious or overwhelmed, only to wake up feeling drained, unmotivated, or stuck in the same repetitive cycles? That's because your subconscious mind was processing and reinforcing those negative patterns all night. Now imagine the opposite, falling asleep in a state of deep peace, forgiveness, and gratitude, and waking up to a reality that reflects those high vibrations. This is exactly what sleep programming with Ho'oponopono does. Let's dive deeper. Ho'oponopono is based on 4 simple yet profoundly powerful phrases. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. When repeated with genuine intention, these words cleanse the subconscious mind of past traumas, negative conditioning, and emotional baggage. When practiced before sleep, they work even more effectively, as your subconscious mind is in its most receptive state. This is why people who use sleep programming with Ho'oponopono often wake up feeling lighter, more energized, and aligned with new opportunities. Imagine someone struggling with financial blockages. Every night they go to sleep feeling stressed about money, reinforcing the belief that money is scarce. But when they start using Ho'oponopono before bed, repeating I'm sorry for holding on to limiting beliefs, please forgive me for past financial mistakes, thank you for the abundance already present, and I love you to shift into a state of appreciation, their vibration changes. Within weeks, they notice unexpected income, job opportunities, and an overall shift in their financial reality. The same principle applies to relationships. If someone carries emotional wounds from past heartbreaks, their subconscious mind keeps replaying those painful experiences, attracting similar patterns in new relationships. However, through sleep programming with Ho'oponopono, they begin to heal their inner child, release old pain, and create space for love and harmony to enter their life. And let's talk about health. The body is a direct reflection of the mind. Many chronic illnesses are rooted in unresolved emotional trauma. By practicing Ho'oponopono before sleep, people have reported miraculous recoveries, chronic pain disappearing, autoimmune conditions improving, and overall well-being being restored. Because when the subconscious mind is free from emotional burdens, the body naturally returns to a state of health. But here's the most important part. This technique is not about forcing change. It's about surrendering to the power of love and forgiveness. It's about trusting that as you cleanse your subconscious mind, your reality will effortlessly align with your highest good. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly do you apply this? It's simple. Every night before bed, find a quiet space, take a few deep breaths, and begin repeating the 4 Ho'oponopono phrases either silently or out loud. As you do this, visualize yourself, your inner child, and the specific area of your life you want to heal. Feel the emotions behind each phrase: genuine remorse, forgiveness, gratitude, and love. Then, allow yourself to drift into sleep while holding on to these high vibrations. For an even deeper transformation, you can listen to Ho'oponopono affirmations or guided meditations as you sleep. Your subconscious mind will continue absorbing these healing frequencies throughout the night, accelerating the reprogramming process. The results? Within days, you'll start noticing shifts. Situations that once triggered you will no longer hold the same emotional charge. You'll attract solutions effortlessly. People will treat you differently because your energy has changed. Life will start flowing in your favor, and you'll wake up each morning feeling renewed, empowered, and in alignment with the reality you've always desired. And if you want to amplify your manifestation power even further, I highly recommend watching my previous video on the powerful technique of writing a letter from your future self. This simple yet transformative practice will help you align with your highest potential and bring your dreams to life even faster. So, if you're ready to experience this transformation, don't just listen, apply it. Start tonight. Use the power of sleep programming with Ho'oponopono to heal, manifest, and awaken to the limitless possibilities that await you. Your subconscious mind holds the key to your dream life. Unlock it and watch miracles unfold.